because when we do sadhana, we chant Krishna's holy name, we want to sit next to Krishna. Upasana, asana. Everyone knows asana. Upa means next to. So upasana means we sit next to Krishna with his holy name and try to see, or the mantra itself will reveal when he wants to, or she wants to, their own forms. So Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila. So this is upasana. And then pade. So pade, the gopis are saying, they're saying the Lord, the Bhagavan's lotus feet are explained by scriptures and guru. So they're saying Krishna was Upadeshapada. He was giving good instructions. And they say, you know what Upadesh means? It means to sit next to Bhagavan, you. And your pada means, as I said, lines of scripture, lines of poetry. So Upadeshapada means that at your feet, we're here at your feet, and this is the conclusion of all teachings of the Guru and the teachings of all the scriptures. So no matter what words Krishna uses to teach them dharma or proper morality or behavior, they turn the word around and say, it all means we should stay right here in front of you, and we should serve you eternally, and you're our everything. So